Egg biryani, we have 7 eggs. What we will do with these eggs is I'll just make like deep slits, 2, 3, and 4 on all of them. See, look at it. 1, like we want the masala to go in, and 4. So all of them, this is what we will do. One, 2. So make sure it doesn't go all in all through it. Because we will fry it a bit with some masala in the oil before we put it in. And I think I'm pretty much done. This one is also done. So besides that, we need yogurt. This is about 1.5 cup of yogurt. This is my biryani masala that I made. Cumin powder, red chili powder, dhania powder, that is the cilantro powder, haldi, mint leaves, coriander leaves. If you notice, the mint is lesser than the coriander because this is a very strong herb. Salt, oil, slit green chilies, ginger garlic paste. Then I have warm milk, to which I will add a couple pinches of saffron. Just be careful. I like this because there's no biryani without saffron. So this is your saffron. So the milk is warm. It will dissolve really nice in there. Then I have, this is for the rice. The whole spices for the rice. Bay leaves. We have cinnamon stick. We have the black cardamom. We have like a half of that star anise. This is a very strong spice. A few cloves and a few, about 5 or 6 green cardamoms. 2.5 cups of basmati rice, washed and soaked. And this is fried onion. We will need about like this much and a little more. So the first step is, of course, getting this guy, the eggy smell out of there. So what I'm going to do is I will add some masalas and toss it in there. So I'll do some jeera powder. Not too much, okay? Just a little bit. And I have some chaat masala here, which I forgot to say. Jeera, chaat masala, and red chili powder. Just a little bit. So I just toss it up. That's it. All tossed up. I will fry this in some oil. Here I have put in my eggs in the oil, and I'll just fry this a little bit to get the eggy smell out of there. And just one egg I cut a little bit too deep. So this is our, obviously because there is no meat in it, so there is no marination. So this is your masala mix. Jeera, turmeric, haldi, pepper, red pepper, chili powder to taste, depending how much you want. And this is your basic masala for the mix it up. And then we have our, this is the biryani masala that I made. The recipe is in the chicken biryani section that I have. So I'll add about 2 teaspoons of this biryani masala and mix it up. Let's start the rice. So I heated some oil. This is all my whole spices in there. I'll wait for it to sizzle. Ooh. There you go. And add water. So I added about 2.5 measures of water. So this much is per cup of rice. So we have 2.5 cups of rice, and a little bit. I'll wait for this to boil. Once this boils, I will add the soaked rice to it. Here you go. It's boiling now. Okay. I will add all the rice in here. We need more rice than, I'm sorry, we need more water, a lot of water, because we'll throw it away. So I'll just cook the rice in this and we'll be back. When the rice is boiling, I'll just add about a little bit of mint and a little bit of coriander leaves. So just let this boil. Put on that rice. It separates the rice and keeps it nice and fluffy. Just a half a lemon, I just squeezed it in the rice. It's totally optional. If you don't like very sour, don't put it. While the rice is boiling, let's start with the masala. Start with ginger garlic paste. In the same oil that we had fried eggs in. Just keep that. Yeah, it kind of splatter all over you, but you don't have a choice. Just try to scrape everything from the bottom. The green chili. Fry a little bit. And now it's time for the onions. So you have a fistful of onions right here. So this is the layering masala that we have, okay? And just a little more. The biryani has a lot of rare stuff. Now that we're doing it, I'm going to literally lower the flame because I have to add the yogurt. Anytime you add the yogurt, make sure either the flame is very low, or if you want to turn it off, you can even turn it off. I'll add the yogurt now to this mix. Okay, so I put all of the yogurt in here. Remember, it should not curdle, so that's the reason why we had turned it off. So I will cook this masala. I will add not everything, some of the mint, coriander. I like to add the stick parts to it. They have those stalks that have a lot of flavor. These guys. So I'll cook this till the oil starts separating before I add my eggs in it. Let's take a look at the rice. This is, it still needs time, see, because this doesn't need the dum like we put in for the chicken and the biryani with the meats. So this we need to cook it a little more. Let's go back to this guy here. The oil has started to separate. Part of the salt that's in the rice will get washed off. So your masala needs salt too. They're not very dense. So just reduce the flame a little bit and let this cook on a very low flame. And let's go back to our rice. Make sure it's in a wide container. So still a little bit more before we will drain the water out. Let's drain the rice out. Spread it out. So beautiful. You can smell the flavors also now. So I'm going to remove half of this. with the masala, okay? So this is my layers. Some more masala in here. Reduce the flame. Now let's start layering. So we have 3 eggs in here. Steps. Remember, saffron with the milk. Step 1. Now here I have some kevda water. You want kevda in the biryani. It's about 1 tablespoon of kevda water. This is some red food color. I'll just put it on one side. Orange food color on the other side. And I have some ghee. But I'll just, nope, not healthy, sorry. Good food is never healthy. Quote unquote healthy, let's put it that way. So mix this a little bit, spread it out. I will cover this with the foil and leave it for them. Oh yes, before I do that, I'll add some maybe more onions on top. And the rest of the green stuff that we had chopped. So here I have sealed it with all foil. Make sure that no steam is escaping. So I'll leave it first on a medium flame for about 7 to 8 minutes. Then I will reduce the flame and put it on a diffuser. So I have my this diffuser. I'll put it here and I will transfer the hot onto this stove with this diffuser. Just medium to. Okay, let's take a look. Just make sure there's